You just bought 100 Bitcoin. The fee? 13. That's 13%. Want to know where that money went? Fee number 1, your bank's cash advance fee, up to 5% just because you bought crypto. Fee number 2, network gas fee. On Ethereum, that could be $20 even for a small buy. Fee number 3, the platform fee. Most on-ramps charge 3 to 5% on top. Most platforms make you deposit fiat first, then buy, then pay gas to withdraw. Triple fees. Coinmama skips the deposit step. You pay directly with card or Apple Pay, so no cash advance fee. And because it's non-custodial, you buy and it goes straight to your wallet. One network fee, not two. Their platform fee, 3.9% base, drops to 0.99% after $5,000 volume. That's competitive for small buys. Generic exchanges charge platform, bank, and withdrawal fees. With Coinmama, just platform fee plus one gas fee. Simple, faster, and less hassle. Coinmama isn't for day trading, but for simple buy and hold crypto. It's fast, easy, and wallet-friendly.